Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with MOS chip. So friends, this is the company which manufactures like semiconductors and system designed company, and which we are going to see its in-depth analysis like what the past data we are having and can we invest in this or not. And one thing which we are going to see main is its equations and how future will be for this March. So friends, today I am very happy to announce its quarterly results which was posted last week. Looks very good. And the next thing which we are going to see is its equations. So friends, long back ago in 2016, if you see here the date September 13, 2016, the company announced acquisition of three companies. In this, Maven Systems also there, Orange Semiconductor and Allied Plus Semiconductor Technologies. This was happened long back ago in 2016, and after that, the company acquires its like four companies after a few days after. They mention like Moschip Semiconductor Technology, a Hyderabad Internet and Semiconductor IoT company acquires four companies: Gigacom Semiconductor, California, and Gigacom Semiconductor, First Phase Semiconductor, and Institutions of Silicon Systems. And these are the four companies which the company acquired in July 24th, 2018. So this is how the acquisitions happened in past. And one thing which in you are going to see here like the company mainly focusing on mixed signal intellectual property IPs, and which are majorly used in connecting everywhere. So next thing friends, we are going to see main thing in this video is like the company quarterly results friends. The company in the past 5 quarters sequential, if you observe here, it is July 22nd 2021, the company Moss chip continues to soar consistently for the sixth quarter. So it's like from the last 6 quarters it is posting better results comparing to last quarters. So it will be loss also, no problem, but compared to last quarter the loss which was decreased, and again it came out of loss to profit, like that the performing. And you are going to see now the company's recent results. If you see here like Moship Technology continues to focus on semiconductor embedded design services, and see here turnkey ASCII solutions, semiconductor IP, intellectual properties, and IoT 4G technology projects. And these are the things which the company mainly focusing. And the PAT turns positive more than fourfold and twofold increase when compared to Q1 and Q4 financial year 21 respectively. That means sequential basis also it posted good results. And see here like the company's Q1 performance, revenue growed for the for the sixth quarter itself. Last constantly it is posting 6 quarters, and 43% compared to previous quarter. And EBITDA last 5 quarters it is posting good numbers, and which was improved 271% against previous quarter, which is a number very positive thing. And on the significant note, we are posting PAT positive after 16 quarters. See here, this is the number the company represents. Is there proud or may not, I don't know. They are telling like after 16 quarters we are posting positive results. So maybe from here they will look like positives. So next thing which the company's Venkata Simhadri MD CEO says, Moschip has gone through a significant transformations in the last 6 quarters, and the company is positioned to address the complex needs of our semiconductor and IoT customers. So friends, we already know that coming future is IoT. I already explained you previously also. And another thing is like semiconductors, friends. Semiconductors are the much shorted one in India present. So we can expect like positive on these semiconductors also. And IP regarding services means we are going to see in future for every car, like every car will connect to each other by the IPs only, that is intellectual uh, these properties. So in this way also I think this company going to benefit. And next thing, which if you want numbers, see here like Moship, and its quarter on quarter results, top side revenue improved 18%, and net profit 1.7 crore profit compared with last quarter 1.13 crores loss, which improved to 52%. And year on year comparisons, revenue 49% up, and net profit 154 and 150% up. This is another positive, and this was posted last Friday, I think so. Friday or sorry, last week. So last week, and if you observe the company site, so one thing which I am going to show you is, see here like 20 years of experience, most chip in semiconductor and design. So if you go through the site of the Moship, you are going to see main things, friends. And this is what they are managing from the last 20 years, or maybe after some development. This is their site, but they announced like they are going to open a new site in coming days. And friends, if you observe here like this company having like semiconductor design partners, and they have like mixed signal and edge of powering smart, and they have some certifications also. Most of technologies achieves iOS certifications. So they are mentioning like a few things in IoT they are planning. And if you observe IoT street, smart streets, and asset monitoring, mobile assets monitoring, stationary assets monitoring like diesel engines and all things, and system engineering and embedded systems. These are the main things which we are going to see in future. Uh, Semiconductor IPs like digital IP, verification IP, these are the main things which we are majorly focusing in future. The usage will be very high for these digital IPs. So see here like digital IPs, 30 plus IP digitals in its portfolio. So we may expect like good positiveness in the coming days for this company. And next thing, friends, we are going to see semiconductor. See here, semiconductor IPs, so semiconductor designs. So I am expecting like it is a good one going forward in my view. And friends, much shareholding pattern, there will be no much differences, or there is no new members in this shareholding pattern. I already seen whether any updates are there, just we are going to see further if it allows us to see. And next thing, friends, one thing I am going to show you is like the company's recent update. If you observe here, I am replaying this video, sorry. So the company's new logo, they are announced a new logo, and this is their logo, new logo. So sorry friends, if you see here, this is the company's new logo, and they mentioning like if you observe here, July 23rd, that means last Friday, I think so. uh, yeah, it's last Friday. Maybe they telling like the new beginnings for all the way, but at a fast pace. We moved to new and larger space a few months back, and now we present at the red Moship new look. And coming soon new website also they are mentioning. So new thoughts, maybe friends, it's I am expecting it may be a turnaround for the system, not a system. So this one, uh, turnaround for this one I am expecting. So let's go and see the shareholding pattern, any improvements or any updations are there maybe. uh, So friends, if you observe here, the companies much things are not there. One thing is like a few members are holding like above 1% stack, 1.45 and 1.3. Srinivas Rao and uh, Chamudeshwari Nath. So that's it. And friends, this is my view on Moss chip. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Thanks.